Stages 1 to 4 are the typical steps of the sanitation chain. Yet the transformation of waste is not integrated in the chain to close the loop between food and energy sectors. In order to do this, we must firstly reframe sanitation. Closing the sanitation loop connects sectors, strengthens practices, empowers people, especially women. For IDF, closing the loop should be an inclusive economic model that would take into account the production of goods and services in a sustainable manner, and more precisely, limiting the consumption, the waste of resources, and especially the valorization of the production of waste, but the valorization of these wastes to useful ends. Human waste, fecal sludge, poo. These words inspire an immediate sense of disgust and recoil. But what if we take a step back to reframe human waste as a resource that contains environmental, social and economic value?
Então, para que a nossa cidade possa correr bem, é necessário que haja reciclagem dos resíduos sólidos para que corra. Então, aqui no centro, tenho trabalhado na área de energias renováveis, produção de biogás, produção de briquetes. Esta parte aqui, digamos, nós abrimos essa torneira.
Tem aquilo que tem, acende e apaga-se sozinho. Não tem problema de cheiro, não tem problema de fumo.
The thing maybe it needed to be done is to have this process of collecting waste, processing, production of briquettes and distribution of briquette inside of the community or with other women's, have this process a bit sustainable, like for example sell this product.
Gostamos. Ninguém que estranhou dizer que isso aqui cozinhar com gás está mal.
We had a concept of correcting the wastewater to one point and treat it with using nature-based solution like wetland. And the water that the effluent from that plant was to be used for gardening agricultural activities.
At the end of the production of biogas or briquettes, they can have a bit of briquettes. They can help them to have energy to cook in their houses and have some activity with other women inside of the community.
When reframing the sanitation chain, we bring together marginalised actors, like women that are already closing the loop but with very limited capacity. With the help of local NGOs working in circular sanitation and existing women's federations, like in Tanzania, the Alliance will be a space to transfer experience, knowledge and skills by championing the closing the loop actors and their practices.
We believe in champions because of setting precedents and being like an ambassador for any new kind of technology.
This kind of activity, calling women of the community to come there and teach them, exchange experience of cooking and everything, help to break this taboo in this closing the loop.